Hello everyone, I am Bob and this is the Home Bitcoin Immersion Mining channel. As you can see, I'm at Bitcoin 2023. Super excited to be here. I'm going to go inside, take a look around, and show you what I see. So with that, let's get started.
So this was my first time at the annual Bitcoin conference. Now, being in a bear market, this conference was a bit more subdued, but there was still a ton to see. First, of course, are the speaker sessions. A ton of influential Bitcoiners giving their thoughts and opinions on everything Bitcoin. I think the only downside is sometimes you really want to be in more than one session at a given time, since there were so many cool topics and conversations to see. Next up, of course, was the exposition floor, and I spent as much time as I could walking around and seeing everything the conference had to offer, and there was a lot to see. First, when it comes to fun stuff, there was everything from the Bitcoin Back to the Future DeLorean, Bitcoin ice sculptures, Bitcoin games, Bitcoin bull riding, Bitcoin artwork, Bitcoin mining museum, and to top it off, there was even someone who was walking around handing out Venezuelan $2 bills to everyone. It was a lot of fun hanging out with great people in the Bitcoin community. But in addition to the fun stuff, there was also a lot of companies and vendors in the Bitcoin space that are really important to home mining. First, of course, are mining hardware, supporting equipment, and fluid manufacturers. Many of the major names were here, as well as their distributors. If you're looking at getting more information on any part of your immersion setup, there's going to be someone here who can help you out. Now, when it comes to small home setups, the main vendor this year was DCX. They had their BitPod system on display, and I was able to see it up close and personal and chat with their technical team. I was super impressed with what it offers as an integrated dual-loop solution home mining system, and I might be covering their setup in depth in a future episode. Another group of vendors is mining pools. Quite a few were there, including the pool provider I'm using, Brains. I stopped to talk with them, and they had just announced a brand new product that I'm super interested in. And this is their custom control board that comes loaded with their own Brains custom firmware. This firmware will allow you to overclock your miner, optimize your miner performance, run without fan spoofers, as well as a ton of other really cool features, allowing you to make the most from your miner. If I can get my hands on one of these, I'm definitely going to show you how to set it up and how to show you everything you can do in a future episode. Now, another great part of being at these conferences are the people you meet. This is Michael Schmid from Nakamoto Heating Solutions. He is one of the experts in heating your house with Bitcoin and has been working in this space for quite a while. He brought a Bitcoin miner heated hot tub, which was kept super warm through the whole event. Michael is very active on Twitter and someone you definitely want to follow if you're looking to learn everything you can about heating your house with Bitcoin. I've got his Twitter and website information below. Now, in addition to home Bitcoin immersion mining stuff, there were a lot of other interesting vendors and booths to check out as well. There are all sorts of Bitcoin businesses offering trading, legal, insurance, IRA, financial, mortgage, passport, travel, and other services. It's really amazing how many different Bitcoin businesses are out there, and it really shows you how this space is growing. Now, the last part of the conference I want to mention is the city of Miami Beach. It's a beautiful town and the beach is truly gorgeous. The Art Deco architecture is very unique and really cool to see. There's wonderful places to eat and museums to explore. Miami was a fantastic host city for the event. And so that was my conference experience in a nutshell and all I have for this episode. In my next video, I'm going to get back into my build. I'm going to show you what is working and what isn't working. And all of this is leading up to my next big steps in heating my house with Bitcoin. So with that, bye.